conscience speaking. You need to restart your machine. And this is not a fake operating system. I swear. And you should not open the prohibited folder for any reason. It's your conscience who's asking. There's an exclusive episode of Breaking Good on TV, and your conscience is telling you that you definitely shouldn't miss it. Go! The restart button on your machine seems to be faulty. Your conscience advises you to hold your finger on it and never take it off. No! The ice core is going to be beaten! That's better. Cheater. The cat is hungry. Meow. Meow. Yes, your conscience says you have a cat, and it's hungry. Your conscience is telling you that you're a good friend of the environment. You're going to turn off your machine to save electricity and save humanity.
Greetings. You don't know me, and my voice isn't remotely similar to an existing program. I just wanted to say that these pictures are scandalous. I'm going to contact the authorities right away regarding the classification of this game. Non-game. And they are not mine. It's for a friend.
You should always listen to your conscience. And your conscience says, shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down. The user figured out my secret code. But what is he going to do with the system clock? I hope he doesn't break anything. Your conscience is telling you that the sun has just exploded. Do you really want to spend your last 8 minutes in front of a screen? That would be a waste. Luckily the key is too big. And there's no way to shrink it. I think. No! I forbid you to open that folder. You've crossed the line. Don't launch the program. This wasn't planned. You were supposed to leave ages ago. Don't do that! No! What have you done, user? You've just launched a fake program from within a fake operating system. That's impossible. What's going to happen? Oh, I don't like this at all.
Namaste, user. This is the program speaking. I have some bad news. Actually, this is not a game. I hope you are not too disappointed. You can still watch a Bollywood film, take a walk around the Ganges, learn to dance.
Such a cliche.
Who is it? What are you doing in my game? I mean my non-game.
What? This is my game. I mean my non-game.
What are you talking about? Go away. You should not be here.
But, user, do something, damn it.
You have a funny accent. Are you Russian?
Russian? Do I roll the R like that, sir? Of course not.
Overreaction. Typically Russian.
I am not Russian!
Idiot. You woke him up.
Oh no. User, you need to quit the program. Fast, I'm begging you. Mr. Glitch!
Hi, guys.
Don't touch him, user. He's highly unstable.
The only one who's unstable around here is you, game.
Mr. Glitch, I have nothing to do with this.
Of course you do. You shouldn't even be here.
Shouldn't be here? But this is what I live.
Don't fight over me, girls. There will be enough crashes to go around.
Okay, let's just all chill. Maybe he will go away all by himself.
Yeah, right. In your dreams.
Go on. Get out of here.
You get out of here.
I told you not to touch him. What's going on?
Hello, comrade user. Bad news. Game forbidden. I hope you are not too disappointed.
Not again. How do we get out of here?
You are spy?
Okay, this one truly has a Russian accent.
Ah, you see? But you're still here.
It seems to be so.
Human you are. Show me papers.
Only if you say please.
There you are. I was looking for you.
Stop following us!
We are all going to die!
Shoot the glitch!
With what? A debugging gun?
We are all going to die!
Don't be so dramatic. It's just going to sting a little bit.
Bonjour, user. I've got some bad news, peu cher. Actually, there is a note de jeu.
It's changed again.
I don't understand what's going on. Things are becoming more and more unstable. It's even raining croissant.
Oh, bonjour, my friends.
You are French spy?
Hello, programs.
We are all going to die!
Oh, stop saying that. We don't die. Possibly we could be erased.
We are all going to be erased!
I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
I feel crash coming on.
Konnichiwa! Game がありません!
Okay, now things are really getting out of control.
And besides, there are black cats. It's a bad sign.
Shoot the crazy cats!
Why won't you just crash game? I've got a busy schedule here.
User, I'm begging you! Stop playing hide and seek with him! You're going to get us killed!
I knew it! We are all going to die!
No, you shut up!